Are you someone that fluctuates with their weight? You feel like you've lost the weight, but now you gained it back, and then you try losing it, but then you gain it back. Or maybe you're someone who just started working out and eating healthy. Well, then this video is for you. I'm going to be talking about homeostasis and a little bit about our fat cells. All right. Now, homeostasis is like a system in our body. It helps balance our body or everything in our cells. Okay. So it tries to stabilize everything. Now, let's say, for an example, you've been a specific weight over the course of 5 years, 10 years, or just a couple of years and up. Okay. Now, what happened? The homeostasis, that system in your body, has now adapted to this weight, to this body. Yeah. So now your body, you're basically telling your body, this is my body, this is my weight, and it will try to always adapt to this weight range. So now when you lose the weight, and then say, for an example, what a lot of people do, they lose the weight, okay? They get a little excited, they lost 10 kilo, 20 kilo. They go on vacation, they start slacking a little bit because like, okay, I lost the weight, let me just chill and enjoy life a bit. They start eating, going on vacation, not working out as much, and then boom, they gain the weight so fast and they're like, how did I gain it so fast, okay? Now your body will always try to fight to go back to its original state. It believes that's its original state. Why? Because you haven't stayed consistent enough to be in the new body so that your body can adapt. The homeostasis can now adapt to the new weight range. Okay? And that takes a couple of years. And a lot of people are like, what do you mean? So I got to work out and eat clean for a couple of years for my body now to adapt to this new body? Yes. That's why it's important that we tell ourselves and realize that this is a lifestyle, yeah? It's not about a quick fix. It's not about, okay, I'm gonna go and do this program and lose the weight and that's it. Yeah, you can go do a structured, systematic program that can bring you faster results instead of you trying to figure things out on your own and make those mistakes. But the real challenge is maintaining it as a lifestyle. And that's what we really need to realize. Of course, energy balance plays a big role into it, yeah? It's not just about adapting your body, but it's making sure that you're burning that energy that you're putting in. So you want to stay consistent for 2-3 years. Let your body adapt to the new body now. Build up more muscle. Stay consistent long enough so that when you do go on vacation and you don't train for a little bit, it will not affect you as much as it would for someone that just lost the weight. Now, another point that I want to bring up is that we have fat cells in our body, yeah? These fat cells, they expand and they shrink. So say, for an example, you've been overweight most of your entire life. So that fat cell has been expanding, yeah? Now, say, for an example, you've been gaining weight, losing weight, up and down, fluctuating your entire life. You know what I mean? Hasn't been much of a huge dramatic change for you, okay? So that fat cell has been expanding, shrinking. So now when you gain the weight, it can shrink easily. It can get back because it's been doing that for a while. So that's the system, the repetitive system that it's been used to. Now, if you're someone who's been overweight your entire life now, and that fat cell has been expanding only, you know, now it could take for some people much harder work to be able to shrink that fat cell. Now, everyone's body is different, okay? Depending on their genetics, their epigenetics, the stimuli in their environment, what they've been eating, their digestive system, all these things, their hormones play a huge role on how their body's going to function. But if we were just to understand a little bit about the fat cell, this is the way it works. So that's why some people, they struggle to lose the weight faster than some people, okay? And some people cannot keep the weight off because they're not consistent enough. And most of their life, they've been a certain weight range. And then they blame it on, this is my genetic, this is my body, I can't. But if you've been consistent enough with your food, and with your training and your energy balance and everything and eating healthy food that's not affecting your hormone levels and you're managing your stress, okay, because stress plays a big role, yeah? And you're managing your stress and you're doing everything completely right and you're not dealing with any health condition and you're consistent enough for a couple of years, you will get results. your body can transform. And a lot of people, they're not consistent enough, and then they have this belief system that their body cannot transform. Okay? So I just wanted this to be a little bit eye-opener for you if you're someone who's been struggling with fluctuating a lot and not being able to keep that weight off. You know, really use this is a lifestyle, and I need to be consistent with my healthy eating and build a healthier relationship with food and not feel the need to, you know, immediately run for a cheat day or a vacation and say, that's it, I deserve to eat this food. A lot of people have this negative connection with food. And when we say it's the weekend, oh yes, finally cheat day, or I'm on vacation, finally I can eat this food, or it's building a negative connection with yourself and food, because basically you're telling yourself, you're teaching and programming your subconscious mind to believe that the healthy food that you're eating is boring, that you don't enjoy it. You know what I mean? So how are you going to be able to really be consistent and commit to a healthy lifestyle if subconsciously you're programming your brain to think that you don't really enjoy this lifestyle? So that's why we end up having these certain habits that we can't let go of, because we don't understand the pattern that we're doing every week with the negative idea of, oh my God, I need that cheat meal. It's like, yeah, we want to be able to incorporate these foods with moderation and stuff like that. Totally. It's not about completely, like, you know what I mean? Like I have a Kit Kat sometimes, I eat a burger and fries, you know what I mean? But it's the way we approach it is what has a huge impact on how we program our brain. You know? So it's like, it's healthy to be like, you know what? This is something that I want to eat right now, and I'm going to eat it. You know what I mean? Not, oh my God, thank God it's Friday. I'm looking forward to that burger. Like, oh, you know? And having such a strong emotion attached to what you are expressing as well has a huge impact on how it programs our subconscious mind. Okay? So I hope that video was nice, short, and sweet, and useful. And I'll see you guys in the next video.